This just perpetuates the ayuda culture that is rotting the Filipino mindset and culture as a whole. Basta may binigay kang ayuda, iboboto ka nila. It teaches people to be complacent at humingi at umasa sa gobyerno without actually even just finding a job as a fully able-bodied Kasi the only requirements are that you are a minimum wage earner or a low-income household, which means it could be zero, or if nasa informal economy ka, like pangangalakal and all that stuff, pwede kang mabigyan ng ayuda via AKA. I'm pretty leftist, pro-poor guy. Pero I have to call BS on this kasi this promotes allegiance of voters based upon the things that people in power provides, instead of creating an economy, a socio-political climate that incentivizes work ethic without doing it too much, of course, as a sort of pick yourself by your bootstraps shit. We incentivize creating a leech system that the rich and the elites will scoff with them saying that the government intervention and poverty mitigation strategies doesn't work. So bigyan mo na lang kami ng tax cuts so that it will trickle down. So we shouldn't try even doing poverty mitigation strategies because it doesn't work. So just give us the money and we will definitely make it so that it will trickle down.